Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an image using the text to image feature on Picsart. So here I've already opened the Picsart app. I'm going to click on the plus icon to go to the create page, and if you scroll down there will be an AI tool. So there are two features in this, and here you'll find text to image. So in the text to image you can uh, describe what's on your mind, and then Picsart will create your text into image. So for example, this kangaroo carrying a corgi on a tightrope. So you can just type in anything and click on the generate image, and Picsart will do the magic. So for example, I want to type in cat eating a sandwich, for example. Okay, and then after that you can just click on generate image and let Picsart do the magic. Okay, so it's load now. Okay, you can see Picsart creating will creating your image based on the text that you write, and you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I want to use this ones right here. You can save it for later, or you can just edit the picture. So I'm going to click on edit, and the picture will be open, and then you can just make some adjustment. You can add filter, effects, or other editing, and then you can just click on this arrow down to later save your photo. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks below, like this video, comment if you have any question, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.